going on, y'all? Every penny counts. I just want to give you guys payment proof of this site Earn Doing that I've been working on a little bit. The link to sign up with this site is in the description. You see here my balance. I don't really have anything in there. I got some points I'm actually going to convert. But I just wanted to show you guys basically what you do on this site. They have a lot of different offer walls. They're right here. All these different things you can do. Very standard as far as like you know what all these sites are offering. The same offer walls that you can go on. Some of my favorite ones are Offer Turo, Super Rewards is another good one, and AdGate Media. Those really work well on this site and other sites. So pay attention to those. But at the same time, you can really just go around and just kind of find out what works for you, because what works for one person might not work for another. But you know, it's just important that you go through on this site and just kind of find out you know, different ways to make money and, you know, put money into your balance. All right. So, like I said, I'm going to show you, my payment proof. First, I'll do that. I'm going to show you how the point system works. Every 100 points is equivalent to 10 cents. So, basically 10 points is equivalent to a penny on this site. You see here, it's kind of dark for whatever reason. Let me see if I can lighten it up a little bit. I don't have anything in my balance, like I said, but if I go down here to, go transfer and transfer some of my points over real quick. Click on points. And I'm going to, you see here it has the conversion rate right there. I'm gonna do 273. Just transfer over. That should at least put 27 cents in my account. Just like that. All right, so I'm gonna return to my home page and you should see 27 cents now in my account. Right there, bam. And on this site, you can actually cash out at $1. Let me show you that as well. If I go back to money, I go to withdraw. I'm showing you the minimum that it has to cash out with right there. So all you need is $1, 2 cent fee. I mean, 2% fee. So basically, if you're going to cash out $1, they're going to take 2 cents away and you'll get 98 cents. But 2% fee isn't bad at all. Now let me show you my payment proof. I actually have it right here on my phone, right here. They sent me $1.04. You see here, thanks for being a member of earndoing.com, just to show you that it does pay. It is legit. I got this sent to me the very next day that I cashed out with. So, you know, it is legit. It does pay. It's not a site a lot of people talk about, but now that I know that it pays, I'm really going to start grinding out hard on it, because for me, when I sign up with a new site, I want to cash out as quick as possible, just to make sure it's legit before I bring it to your attention. Because every time I do a site, I like to, you know, kind of get feedback from other people that are already a member of that site. So I kind of knew it was legit, but it's different knowing that, you know, they paid you, because somebody can tell you, oh, it's legit, and they show you proof, and that's good, and you know it works. But when you get the money sent to yourself, when you actually do it yourself, and you know, you worked on it, and it's like a different sense, you do a different type of proof, you know what I'm saying? Now you know it works for you, not just for them. So just here my payment proof, just showing you $1.04. It wasn't a lot, but like I said, I just want to cash out quick just to make sure that it was legit for me as well. Then make sure that I could, you know, find some different ways to make money with it. And, you know, on this, to get this $1.04, I think I did like 2 offers. That's all I did. You know, I basically, one of them, I just had to confirm my email. With another one, I just kind of signed up for a product or whatever. So both of them were free. Both of them took like less than a minute to do, and got $1.04 cashed out and got it sent to my PayPal the next day. So back to the site. Like I said, the link is in the description that you can sign up with. I showed you the different offer walls it has. You can cash out $1. That's the minimum. Very low cash out. Very cool site. And the fact that not a lot of people are on it. What I tell people is that it always has a lot of different ways to make money. One, but then two is that their offers pay really well, because not a lot of people are using them, and they want people to be directed to the site. So therefore, I'm bringing this to your attention. And you know, that's pretty much all it is to it. You know what I'm saying? Just simple ways to make money. You know, you go here on the earn part and you'll see what you have to do. Basically, it'll show you the offer wall that they have. You can click on ads. You know, just they have some offers you can do here. Click on that just to show you some things you can do. My computer's taking forever to load, but you know, it just kind of shows you you know, what you can actually do on your desktop. Kind of scroll down real quick. Let me see. don't know why it's not letting me scroll. Well, the bar is so little, that's why it's kind of hard to do. But you see here, it shows you different offers that you can do. You know what I'm saying? These are paying like very high. They're like, you know, $30. But, you know, it just depends on if it's right for you. It shows you the requirements that you have to do. So it has, like I said, you know, not a lot of people are using it, so it pays very, very high. And these are not points, y'all. These are dollars. I want you to kind of see that. Clear it up. $21. You know what I'm saying? Because not a lot of people are using this site, so you just kind of go through in here, find out what works for you. I haven't really played around with this too much because I've been, you know, so busy lately. But this is something I'm definitely about to get into as far as trying these offers. And you see here, there are actually 32 of these. So, like I said, sign up with this site today. Link is in the description. Start making money with it. Cash out at $1. Very simple to do, especially when you're, you know, attempting these offers here that are paying like, you know, lots of dollars and, you know, a lot of money with it. It shows you the requirements. Of course, you're not going to qualify for them all, but it's, you know, just something to look at, you know, because the big opportunities there for you. They have ads you can click on here. If I go to PTC, you can click on these ads every day. They don't pay a lot, but, you know, small money adds up at the end of the day. Just kind of scroll down here. Let me see. Scroll down just show you how many ads they have that you can scan on per day. You know what I'm saying? They're like 5 seconds long. Like I said, they don't pay a lot, but when you know, do this every day, it does kind of add up. And then, you know, you go back over here in the offer walls where you're going to make most of your money, honestly. And, you know, just kind of find out what offer walls are good for you. I told you the ones that work for me. But, you know, go through and look at each of them and just kind of find out, you know, okay, this works, it doesn't work. You know, find some offers you can sign up with just by submitting your email, you know, easy stuff like that. So that's all for this video. I just want to show you guys that it does pay. The payment proof that I got, and $1, very easy to get. So sign up today. Link is in the description. And remember, every penny counts.